Hello, um, this is my 2023 Tesla Model Y. I have this car for about 3 months now. It has 6,000 miles. So far I like it. Unfortunately, I ran over a nail and punctured my tire. So for the first time, I'm attempting to take off a Tesla wheel. And the first thing I did is loosen up the bolts. And then the next step is I'm gonna put this thing right there is the puck. I'm gonna locate that place where I could stick that thing in there. All right. And this is the underside of my Tesla. I'm trying to find where is the place where I could locate that. I bet this is the one. Is this the one? I have no idea. So let me see. The problem is this thing I bought will not fit in there. It's apparently too big for this hole. Oh, I don't know. So the issue is apparently this is too big for to attach to the Tesla. So I took my knife. Have no other option but to, make this thing a little bit smaller. Make this thing a little bit smaller. Hopefully it will fit this time. So I have no option but to shape this thing to make it smaller. It took a lot of bit. Now it should fit. There it is. Now it fit. After shaving, apparently the puck that I bought is it's too big, or maybe this Tesla is just a new Tesla. So I knew that just change the size of that back hole. Alright, let's try to jack this up. And now the moment of truth. I'll try to jack this Tesla Model Y for the first time for this car. There we go. Whoop, it's moving. Okay, it's holding up. Hopefully I won't damage anything, but has to be done. Okay, double check. All right, there we go. There it is. Looks like everything's good. Continue. Alright. Let's continue lifting it up. The car is going up. Hopefully that will happen. No. Okay. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Some more. Okay. So far so good. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. And lastly, finally I took up the wheel and located the damage. That's the cause. Right there. Looks like a threaded bolt. Man. Plug that up and put it back. Thank you for watching.